Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. Thank you for stopping by. So in today's video we are going to be making a delicious and sumptuous breakfast recipe which is called eggs and plantain frittatas. Let me take you through to the ingredients we are using. So for these frittatas we'll be using ripe plantain. I have cut here three big ripe plantain. I washed and cut it into big chunks like that. We'll also be using eggs. I've cracked in 7 eggs here. I'm making a large portion of it. And then I'll be using some sausages. I've also cut the sausage. This is roasted. I grilled it in the oven and cut it into slices like this. I'll be using some chopped tomatoes. I've prepared everything. I'll be using some onions which I've also chopped into smaller chunks like that. I'll be using some fresh peppers. And then I have some spices here. This is seasoning cube, thyme, salt, garlic powder, ginger powder, and curry powder. And then I'll start by frying the plantains and also make the sauce which we are going to use. Just keep watching and see how I make this. I have some bell peppers here for garnishing. After adding the plantains and the vegetables, then cover and cook in a very low heat until the egg is well cooked. Don't put the heat in high, if not it will get burnt, especially if you are not using non-stick pan. And here we have our plantains and eggs frittatas. It was so yummy. I cooked mine for about 20-25 minutes because it's very large and because I used a very low heat. And it came out so delicious. You can see it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe and also click the like button. Comment and tell me how you feel about this. Until then, see you in our next video. Love you all. Remain blessed. Bye bye.